In this video, we're going to use Excel to sort fields within an Excel file. Now the whole key here is to locate your field names. As a rule, your field names are usually the top row of your table. In this case, we're talking about the field names date, store, product, manager, state, and sales. They're all field names. Those field names, each one of them, describe the information in a column pertaining to that field name. So for instance, the field name date, that entire column should have just dates in it. The field name sales should have sales information within that column. You don't want to have dates in that column. You don't want to have text entries in that column. The manager field within that whole column should have text entries. You don't want to have dates or numbers. So once again, the key element within any type of sorting within Excel is to locate your top row, or it's usually your top row, is to locate those field names. And I have them all highlighted here. And once again, usually those field names are the top row within a table. So I'm going to begin by positioning my cursor in cell A2 directly beneath my field names. And once again, that is important, to position that cursor directly beneath one of your field names. So we're within A2, right-click, sort, and then come down to custom sort. And it's very important to select custom sort. Click on custom sort. We have a dialog box that allows us to sort on multiple levels just by clicking on and add a level. Now initially, we're going to sort on the field name state. So once again, our cursor is directly beneath our field names. Right click, sort, custom sort. For the level, we're going to choose the field name state. Keep the order A to Z. Click OK. And we can see our change here. State, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Rhode Island. Now, what I'm going to do next is do a secondary sort by manager. How I do that is, once again, I click directly beneath one of my field names, right-click, sort, custom sort. What we can see here is that we've already sorted on one level. And the beauty of this is that I can add a secondary level or a secondary sort. So I'm going to click on Add a Level, come down to the drop-down arrow, and next we're going to choose the field name Manager. Click on OK. Let's change slightly. The primary sort by state and then by manager. It looks like it hasn't changed much, but the reason being is that for all of Connecticut, it has the same manager, Smith. And in the case of Massachusetts, just Baker. Rhode Island is McKenna. So it looks like it hasn't changed, but if there had been different managers, it would have changed. So once again, like, the whole key is locating the field names, positioning your cursor directly beneath one of the field names, right-click, sort, custom sort, You can see right here that right now that we're sorting by state and by manager. If I wanted to change that, I could click the arrow and continue with my initial sort by state, but I could go by sales. Instead of smallest to largest, I could go largest to smallest. Click OK, and you can see how we've made those changes. So it's very, very powerful. Thank you very much.